Yeah, how's it, guys? Uh, so this is the car we're busy fitting the engine on, 335i. So the engine is in, everything is in, and then cooling system in as well, and then it's still high in the air. So what we're gonna do, come through, we're gonna give it the first start, and then see how the engine sounds like. Let's see here. There we go. So we're gonna take it to the back so you can hear the sound. Yeah. Sounds good. Hear it. That's how it sounds like. We're gonna figure out what's happening with everything, fix up the cooling system, fix up everything, fix up the front end, and then connect everything, then take it for a test drive, plug in the laptop, check all the error codes and stuff like that, clear everything up, and then see if everything is sorted, and then take it from there. It has come down now, so it keeps on coming down. So this is how it sounds like now. Very calm. 335 N54 engine, 3 liter. Yeah, sharp.